ConvoActive Let's Talk Puppetry one-to-one sessions are for everyone ages 7 and up. During these sessions, we will discuss all things Muppet-style puppetry related, except for making puppets. A sock puppet will suffice. At first, should you or your child decide to get more immersed in puppetry, it's best to either purchase or make a Muppet-styled hand puppet. ConvoActive has links to those options on the Let's Talk Puppetry page. The Let's Talk Puppetry topics discussed range from language development and voicing, movement control, and of course all the creative aspects such as writing, character building, and improvisation. If you or your child gets to the point where you're ready for improvisation, ConvoActive offers a Zoom-based forum for puppeteers to engage with one another in collaborative, age-appropriate scripted plays or turn-taking improv. A lot of collaborative puppetry fun. This is a fun, enriching, fulfilling ConvoActive service for children 7 and older as well as adult creatives. ConvoActive encourages you or your child to try a session just to see what you or they think. At the very least, it will be fun, and at best, it will be the beginning of a real, positive, life-changing experience.